Hi everyone, welcome back to the training class. I hope you're all staying well and staying active. This video I'm going to talk about chafing. So what is chafing? Chafing can occur anywhere on your body, and anybody can suffer from chafing. It doesn't matter about your body shape, your body size, or your athletic ability. It's really important to realize that this is a common problem and anybody can suffer from it. So that means we all need to take the precautionary steps to try to avoid this problem. So, chafing is ultimately an annoying or even painful result of skin rubbing against skin or clothing. So it's really any combination of friction, moisture, or an irritating fabric. There are a lot of signs of chafing. The most mild are going to be a slight stinging feeling or burning feeling, and then that might be followed by a slight rash. And then in the most severe cases, you're going to see swelling and you're ultimately going to see some bleeding. So you might be asking, what causes chafing, or how do I fix this? So there are two main causes of chafing. The first one is ill-fitting clothing. So when you're running or exercising, it's really important to wear proper fitting clothing and moisture-wicking clothing. So that means anything made from synthetic fibers. So you're going to want to avoid wearing, that raggy old cotton t-shirt. Cotton does not absorb moisture well, so it's going to be hanging on your body and it's going to be rubbing in all the wrong places. And it's important to note that heat and humidity also play into chafing. So the warmer it's out, the more likely you're going to be sweating and producing moisture, which means you're more likely to suffer from chafing when it's warmer out. So you're going to want to wear less clothes when it's warmer out. Kind of remember, just less is more when it's warm when it's warm out and we're exercising. And then also on clothing, which I think I forgot to mention, you're going to want to pick clothes with smooth seams, which most athletic apparel is smooth seams, but you're going to want to avoid anything with a seam jutting out that can help produce rubbing. And then the second thing we're going to want to do to help reduce our risk of chafing is to lubricate. So that means using essentially Body Glide in high-risk areas, or what some people call hot spots. So a lubricant like Body Glide really just reduces friction in these sensitive areas. And then just a side note, if you tend to have sensitive skin, you're more likely to suffer from chafing. So just keep that in the back of your mind. If you know that you have sensitive skin, you might need to be doing some extra steps to make sure you don't suffer from chafing. So like I said earlier, at some point in your running career, you're going to suffer from chafing. Luckily, it's pretty easy to treat. You wouldn't treat this any differently than you would a small cut or wound. So you're going to want to make sure you clean the area thoroughly with water, keep it dry, put things maybe like Neosporin on it to promote healing, and then cover it. In the worst cases, maybe it gets a little worse, maybe it doesn't go away, so you may want to consider seeing a doctor in that case. And then also, if you notice it's not healing and maybe it is getting worse, it's really okay to take a few days off running to ensure that your chafing heals properly, because it is a very annoying and often painful situation that nobody really wants to deal with. So sometimes taking off running or walking to help heal it is the best thing we can do for it. So this is a two-part video. This is the first video. And then the second video, Alex from Runner's Edge talks specifically about Body Glide and other Body Glide products and how that could help us with chafing. All right, so when you're done with this video, make sure you click the second video from Runner's Edge. All right, bye guys.